Okay, if you want to set your navigation on your driver console, you'll have to go to menu, go down to navigation. Oops, sorry. Go back to menu again. Go to navigation. Yeah, that's the hell. Okay, the buttons are a little laggy, so you might want to try it a couple of times. Yeah. Navigation, and that'll show your speed. What else? The battery range over here. You have your region levels, and you have the entire map. Now, to set that up, you'll have to go to your other screen. Vehicle apps, navigation. For suppose you want to say you want to go somewhere. Yeah, search. For example, if I'm going to this location, where is start? Where is start? Directions, and it'll give me the option to start. Now that gets over here. So it'll show on this as well as this. Now, if I want to turn off this screen, let's see if that's going to work. I'm going to use my button here. Press and hold it. I'll see this. Come on. Let's say if I want to shut it down. Yeah, so the passenger screen, the center console, or the center infotainment is off. Now the navigation still runs on this particular screen, the driver screen. So yeah, that's a good feature, a great feature rather.